bullets. Son of Squad. Sherry, Mama, Sherry, oh, one Suzuki, my Sherry, oh, I soon get it up. That's Bible, it's a man. Oh, one that's Bible, it's a man. I soon get it up. Suzuki, my Sherry, oh, I see him when you want to together. Yakuzi, my Sherry, oh, I see him when you want to that's so easy. I will go to the what we go to the I should be a man. I joke. Or some man want to let them up on book. That you vibrate. Come on, go by Moka. Pasco can not sign or go the Bob or no. See us one more guy. Pasco or some man who know now. Only a pair. I say, I know what I see. I say, I said, so I see you. I see my CD. I'm gone. Yes, and I'm so weak. I'm more than weak. I'm very weak. Come on, I am my CD. Come to the
Butu Kamanda ye deceive Hanya Yawasit Kaiwayangova weed. You are welcome to Talkam as they happen on this very program. Talkam as they happen is a program being hosted by Emone Oremijus every day in order to support the men on the ground. I not truly get issue with a lot of people. Forget about the propaganda. See, in this very freedom, propaganda, lies, and deceit will never hold any water. When you try to carry propaganda in order to suppress this Biafra issue, and at that time the Biafra issue even skyrockets. Propaganda, lies, and deceit have no stepping stone. You must fight for the Biafra in truth and in spirit. That's just it. I have no problem with anybody. But if you do not fight for Biafra, there is where I have problem with you. People are fighting for Biafra. Men on the ground are not supposed to be cajoled. Now, do you really think this very program, you got to say it the way it is in your mind? Do you really think that if men on the ground are taken care of, Emmanuel Oremijus have problem with anybody? The answer is no. This Biafra leadership, you must be sincere, whiter than white, and honest. We maintain asi. And you can never use lies to maintain lies in this very freedom. And when people know on the ground, our land is going. And these people needed something to work for the Biafra people. I have seen too many testimonies, too many comments of people and too many people trying to tell me, oh, Emmanuel Oremijus, look at where the government have gotten to. But those things are nonsense because it is not used to fight for freedom. Those things are nonsense. If you really want men on the ground to work, fund them. I have nobody that I'm supporting. I have nobody that I am supporting. I mean this very freedom. I belong to this person or I belong to this person. That is the reason why you can see Emmanuel Oremijus focusing his attention on the main goal, which is fighting for Biafra freedom. One thing that they try to crave our mind, I belong to Ngọzi, I belong to Nkere. So if you speak up, they will say this person paid you. When I used to support you, were you paying me? It means that you pay me. Nobody. That nonsense of cajoling men on the ground must stop. And if you really mean well for freedom, tell everybody, let stop attacking these men on the ground. Let everybody focus. If there is a time that Biafra people needed to focus more than, it is now. Lies can never take us anywhere. Fighting and backbiting cannot take us anywhere. It is because some of you are daft. That is the reason why we fight. I could remember these people commenting rubbish here. It is because they want to protect one useless person or the other. That is the reason why they are commenting rubbish. And I do not see your face. In this very freedom, in an already activated ghost mode. I do not see your face. One thing that you needed to do, if you have brain, go and tell whomsoever that you are supporting. The land of Biafra is number one. That's all. Your land will not be burning fire and you are pursuing rabbit or rat. It is not done. You will first of all acquire land before you acquire mats. If you go to the land of Biafra now, there was a time I spoke about funding, putting money direct, this account, this nonsense. Oh, we are in government, everything we make it public. You are in government and the Nigerian army is fighting against us. You are in government, everything you make it public. If you go to the land of Biafra now, see what everything you make it public is putting people. Arrest of the Ojetara. Those who made the direct payment to the account, they are hunting people one after the other every day. There is none of them, even those people calling me to correct me. Every day, if I speak with them, they will tell me, what you are saying is truth, but calm down. No one case I put in order. I put it in order. I put it in order. But when I said it, did you put it in order? When I then started saying it, oh, that is the reason why you say, oh, Imane Oremijus is going out of control. But I said, do not make account open to the people. Now, Ghana, the land of Biafra, see how they are arresting people. You endanger the life of our people. Government knows better. Publishing people's phone number on air. Government knows better. You see a reasonable man talking like a mugu, a muntula. You should go and ask your government. Don't you see it in the newspaper? Don't you see it, Obo, propagandist? Don't you see it in Nigerian newspaper? I did not even send you. My own is to preach to you. Your stupidity will never stop this preaching. That you are mad, you have no sense, you have no conscience. You want to reason, you want to defend somebody. We will never stop Emmanuel Oremijus to render his preaching. Oh, if you run finish, Ngọzi Arabeze, you Umuatoro, 1 naira, 2 naira, 2 kobo defenders, defending Ngọzi. Come here and defend her. Go to the land of Biafra. See the way that they are arresting our people. See the way they are arresting our people. You Yabieba comment, this, you don't have to say it. Go and ask those of them. Is that not true? Ask her. Somebody is saying, give me the names of. Go and ask her. She accepted that they arrest people. Go and ask her. They said I am jealous. If I should be jealous, I should be somebody going after position. Don't you know that they even appointed me at the office? I said no. I have rejected office right from time. If I am jealous, it will be that I have a thinking of acquiring one office or the other. The land of Biafra is going. No, the land of Biafra is going. Arrest every day by day. Ask those people. Today, I was interacting with one of our comrade who called me to put me in order and to provide the evidences that some of my attacks are not true. The guy tried as a comrade. He reached out to me as other people were reaching out to me. But lo and behold, the evidences that he presented, I already have them. And it's not evidence. I already have them. And while speaking with the guy, he acknowledged that people are being arrested in Biafra land. It's not something that anybody will deny because you are supporting one person or the other. Your security first. And I have to use this opportunity to let our people know. I don't know who will be live today. I don't know who will be live today. And what you have to do is just come and listen to her. That's all. In the land and in the struggle for Biafra, what we expect by now is to see more cries at the enemies. Let them cry. And let the land of Biafra be free. Because that is what I want. That is what you want. You want the land of Biafra to be free. I want the land of Biafra to be free. But they aren't most of you people. Your work, you are shameless, is to move from one platform to the other, looking for where to run insults or the other, because you are shameless, because you do not pity yourself. And I used to say, if I have ever collected money from anybody just to support the person, may it be well with those of you saying, oh, you have collected money. But if I have never collected money from anybody, it shall never be well with you. And the land of Biafra will haunt you. The land of Biafra is going. And you are here, you are not even ashamed of yourself that PM, when you never started singing, oh, we are in government. Oh, we are in government. This nonsense that you are doing now. Oh, we are in government. Go down. We are in government. When you have not started singing it, Musa was crying. When you have not started singing it, Musa was crying. The land of Biafra was defended. Go anywhere that they attack our people. We defend our people. But now you are in government, our land is going, stripping in the hands of those who are killing us. And you want Emmanuel Oremijus to shut up. If you never know how to be defended, if you never know how to be disappointed, you better be disappointed, because Emmanuel Oremijus will never shut up in a time like this. Oh, I am disappointed in you. You better be disappointed. You are going to be more disappointed, because I will never shut up in a time like this. It is because it have never come to you. It have come. If it have come to you, you will reach out to me. I know that even use your platform and say it. Look at what is going on. Evil people. Men and women without conscience. And some people we are sending to me receipt that they were sending. Oh, inside the receipt, 8 million, 10 million, 6 million. Not today that I saw the receipt. I have seen it before. You know how to defend the land of Biafra from December till now. That money is hit up to 30 million. All of you enter market to buy anointing oil, back to send oil and everything. Is it sold at that rate? If it is not sold at that rate, that means you are not working for the defense of Biafra land. If ordinary Muntula that have abused our people, killed our people, run with a bag to mess our land up, can receive 50 million, what stops you from giving that same 50 million to the people? Even if it is not enough, give them. These ones will receive 1 naira, then the other ones will receive 50 million. Lies and propaganda will never be enough. You got to top up. Emmanuel Oremijus na nke ikpeazụ a na-akwa ahụ. You na comment here, you are wasting your time. So, what the program is, did you think that anything really matter? Talkam as it be for your mind. The number to call is +31. Do you think that anything really matter? Respect, oh, come and bow for me, does not matter. If PM can call those people on phone, beg them to defend the land of Biafra, then what stops us from begging the same people to defend the land of Biafra? And when PM called them on phone to beg them to defend the land of Biafra, you see work. You see what they were doing to defend the land of Biafra. Benjamin Uche, you are an idiot. You better get out, because he and BP. I am Emmanuel Oremedius. You will get BP on this very platform. You are an idiot. If you want to get Biafra, lies and propaganda, staying here, talking, doesn't matter. What matters is giving them money to defend the land of Biafra. Oh, go and run propaganda against them. Doesn't matter. It wouldn't solve anything. You are defending somebody that you don't know from Adam. What some of you, the stupidity in you is what is smelling to me. The stupidity in some of you is what is smelling. What is ringing volume on your brain is that, oh, they called her DPM. Have you ever taken time to listen to the questions that they ask her and the answers that she is giving? Have you ever taken time to listen to the questions that they ask her and the answers that she is giving? Is this how the land of Biafra will be defended? I ask most of you without conscience. When I was making the revelation that our people are going to be arrested by mere putting the numbers and the account on air, many of you doubted me. Many of you were telling me, it is true, but it's not the way that you are saying it. Those people, don't they have brain? The people that comes on air to publish the accounts direct from Nigeria, don't they have brain? As a human being, ordinary common sense could have told you that publishing the account will allow Musa to get access into the account. Musa is crying every day. Oh, I want to track those funding the Biafra liberation. We want to know those who are funding the Biafra liberation. Then your madam, all of a sudden, boom, said, oh, this is the account, UBA, GT Bank, Nkani Ibia, paying the account, it is safe. And you, as a stupid person that cannot reason, you cannot reason because you are daft. You begin to make direct payment into the account because one dementia have said that you must pay him money there, it is safe. You did not ask yourself, if Musa can be going, if they can go to Kenya to kidnap Mazen Nnamdi Kanu because of what Biafra struggle is doing, if they can sue international saying that they want to get those who are funding Biafra struggle, is it the one that is being sent in Nigerian account that they are not going to get those people down? You did not ask yourself because some of you have big mugu. But once they stand here, tell you rubbish, you want to fly up with it. You want to support nonsense. And somebody is already writing Sabotage, and Ikenga is sent. You are working with Ikenga, the mother of our own people, and I am Sabotage. Don't you see that you need psychiatric problem? This is, I will be here, I will be some of you, and some of you people that you think that you have brain. Defend the land of Biafra. When PM was around, how is Biafra being defended? And now that PM is not around, is Biafra being defended the same way it is being defended when PM was around? Shameless group of morons. You have no conscience, you have no fear, you have no dignity. Your own is to support one dementia. Live with that Benjamin Akpamuche. Leave him. When he makes a U-turn, my cause go follow him. You cannot fight me. I am epitome of the ancestors and those who have died in this Biafra struggle, embodiment of them all. If I do not speak, they wouldn't allow me to rest. Some of these moguls writing rubbish here did not tell that woman, oh, what you are doing is a direct sabotage. Now go and ask them. Ask Nigerian media. People are being packed every day. You saw them in Nigerian newspaper. Don't you see it? And surprise, surprise, she came to acknowledge it. And some of you muguls following her wouldn't ask her question. But we are putting an account of people, telling people to pay money, it is secured. Now arrests have begun. Are we safe? And I am still telling you, even those who are abusing me today, I want to give you direct sense. If you like, get it. If you don't like, don't get it. but Agbachos go mine. If you go to any bank to withdraw money and money refuses to come out, and you know that you have money inside your account, don't ever enter inside bank. If you enter inside bank, you are going to be arrested. DSS have stopped that account, and it has been identified as one of those sponsoring Biafra struggle. I am a Mane Oromi Jews. I am a Mane Oromi Jews. If you want to fight for Biafra, it is by what you do, not by holding, talking rubbish on social media, holding from one Zoom meeting, this honorable this, give us a report. And then your report since December. Our people are living now barely in IDP camp. Villages have been deserted. Villages have been deserted. And you are here supporting evil. The same way I push most of you people that supported her, it is me that pushed some of you into the mess, which I accepted my this thing. And it is embodied unto me to deliver most of you. You see, Biafra struggle that Mazen Namdekano said, throw away your local number, start using international number. People are telling you, oh, go and use local number. You don't ask yourself, where are you going to with local number? Are you not going to be tracked? Somebody they ask, you don't open shop. The shop not be my own. Forget, if you know, you know. It is well. Let us go, please. I am a Mane Oremi Jews, known as the Gracia, please. Protect the land of Biafra. If you do not protect the land of Biafra, the respect that we give to you, the respect that we give to you, it is because of the land of Biafra. If the land of Biafra is being protected, we all eulogize you, we all worship you. But if that land is not protected, you are wasting your time. That's just it. You are wasting your time. I don't know who will be live today in the evening. Talkam as it be for your mind. The number to call is +31 68 76 47 442. Do you think +31 68 76 47 442? Do you think that anything really matters in this Biafra agitation? Do you think that anything really matters? Or is it the land of Biafra that is number one? That matters a lot. The land of Biafra, number one. Talkam CB for your mind. Today, Agnes, you are welcome, please.
Hello.
Agnes Omili, fire down, please.
Ndị na-enwero brain. Ụfọdụ ndị a na-eso Ngọzi enwero brain. Akpọbugo m mbọsị a wee na-akpọkọta. Ndị be anyị nwee nụ brain ma ọnụ na anya m. A na-asa ụlọ isi. Nwaanyị epost nwere maka alụ a niile ndị gọvanọ si na-eme otego m ji ekwu ife a. Nwaanyị epostụrụ maka ihe amụfu. Ihe niile egwu na ihe amụfu. Nwaanyị epostụrụ ya. Nwaanyị a ọjọọ ọgịga jụọ ọchịcha ọjọọ agbala ọsọ jee declare Biafra. Declare sia Biafra nwere ike iprotect mandate agwa gị. Onye na-eprotect mandate by ịkpọ ndị amị Biafra. Ihe niile na-epost bụ equip the army na Biafra army. Equip the Biafra army. Ọjọọ chụpụta asị nọọ ife nwa amamihe ọha na-aza dịka ndị ala. Dịka ndị ala. Biko Chukwu mara m alaikpụrụ oge Nkere. Alaikpụrụ m ya. Mana there is something we can do. Onye bịa na-agba ọkụ adachụ oke. Onye ụlọ ya na-agba ọkụ adachụ oke. when I your Biafra, si biko Kaifa yeme, I give it an Nkere one.
My sister, biko can correct again. My sister,
am I for again?
My sister, actually correct again, biko. Biafra is not about Nkere or Ngọzi or Abueze. They are not the face of Biafra. Are you hearing me now? They are not. The reason why, the reason why they are telling you Nkere, Ngọzi or Abueze is because some of them that have a leadership tendency, so that anytime you speak tomorrow, just like the time that I was defending this woman messing up Biafra struggle, they will always tell me, the reason, stop talking about PM. Here, what is very important now is to win Nkere. That is the main thing that they are planting in my memory. To win Nkere. Abịaziri m ịzọ Biafra ka bịara ma ịbịa abịa ewin somebody. Ị na-ege ntị? Biko, ihe m na-correct go n'obe ịsị ka anyị gaba na nke Nkere. Nkere enwe ebe. Ihe anyị na-ekwu go n'obe, go and sow money in the account. Men kwuru na ha ji eweta ego. That's all. Ebe m support kwara. I no support any other place that you are talking about na your own.
Ga gbasafa ife ma bụ na Chineke bụ Chineke. Ana m efe ilu dị sure na ọ bụrụ ndị otu Peter Obi na-abịa ife niile ya na ndị otu nwaanyị a wekọtara na Facebook. Ị na-efe ilu na ọ bụrụ ndị otu Peter Obi.
Don't mind my sister. My sister, sure you they hear me. Don't mind Achikote. Do you understand me? My own is to preach the truth and nothing but the truth. None of them can really call on here. I used to speak with their superiors. Even today, I know how many people that have called me. And one thing that I used to ask these people, at the end of the day, they will agree with me that it is true that our people are dying. Then why can't you make amendment on social media? If it were to be PM, this thing wouldn't linger like this. That in all of these things that they supplied me, in all of these things, even some of them that supply me evidence to destroy Madam Azoka, they are crying now. Some of them are telling me, she did not do anything that time. It is because the way that she hung her hand, that is the only thing. My sister. And now, they are now... They are now regretting their lives. They are now regretting their lives. Then the mosquitoes that are not even anywhere will come here and defend. Whereas the people here are crying every day by day. Informations that I have is not for social media.
A true Biafra get one adiju. Ijuanya adiju na Facebook. Before ya say, ijuanya adiju. Ebe amebi no. Oko si ego na ke na ko. Kelebe na ko mi. Ko cho fi fe ko.
She don't even know anything. See. She don't know anything. That's the truth that people need to know. It is not all about envy. If I'm envying, I will go for position. They appointed me for position and I turn it down. I don't need position as you see me. Ibane Oremijus have never asked anybody for position. Point me for position tomorrow. I will even...
I don't know who the 77.
Leave this ones. Leave my sister. Do not be bothered about anybody calling me saboteur. They are still blind. They are going to see. Are you hearing me?
Father, don't worry. Now God is still God.
They are blind. They are still going to see.
If you phone the pool, over a mother will milliala for milliala is true in our support. Only mana giving me an Omeron car mistaken, Omeron car mistaken, Omeron car mistaken.
Leave anybody talking whatever that person like. Do you hear me? I don't want to go. Thank you for your own contribution. Leave them alone, please. Please, leave anybody saying whatever the person wants to say on his or her platform. The person have right to say it. But what I'm asking all those of you is to have conscience. You don't support nonsense when the land of Biafra is going. The reason why Emmanuel Oromijus is Emmanuel Oromijus is because I have my own conscience. You do not use money to entice me. I'm a former to use money and entice Emmanuel Oromijus. Not that I have money. At least I get people where they say they even go beg money. Make they give me. Even though me and them not agree for each other sometimes. And we not agree because then they madam them side. We not agree for each other. Yes, but if you feel that your money can make me to sell my conscience, you have never started. I am Emmanuel Oromijus, known as the Great Seer. One thing that brought me in this Biafra agitation is for defense of the people of Biafra. If you are not defending Biafra, you are talking nonsense. If you are not talking about Biafra, you are talking nonsense. Men and women can never be arrested every day. You put the account of Biafra people in the public. Tell people, oh, just go and money there, it is protected. If that place is protected, that means you know what happened to PM, Mazi Simon Ekpa. Because Mazi PM have never even made his own public. They don't pursue him, even go to Finland. Because of it, they gave Finland 60 years old deal. And you are marketing the account for people to sow money. And Musa, before then, Musa was shouting that they want to get people donating money in this account. They want to get people supporting this Biafra agitation. So they now create an account and tell Biafrans, go and pay him money. It is a way for Musa to get the names of those paying money in Biafra agitation. Talkam CB for your mind, 9 with this, so GR. This person talks, him name or her name na GR. You are welcome to the program, please. The number to call once again on this very program is +31 68 76 47 442. +31 68 76 47 442. +31 68 76 47 442. Let us go. Run them as it happen. Talkam, waiting there your mind, my brother.
My brother, I'm making after me here and make CK here and all these. On the name why you memoir now, what I hear and my day out there. But what to tell one on one follow you. There's so. But CK, I never. Nkere so we ihe na-eme na Arab Biafra ihe na-eme na Igbo na-adịghị mma onwe ihe anyị na-aghọta gọọmenti enwere m mma enwere ụmụnne m ọ na-ala Igbo na mama anụzi ala Igbo nwere ndị na-ala Igbo ịghọtara na anyị na soshal midia a na-apụtara ụmụ ihe ndị na-eme mma ịghọtara anyị ma nke bụ eziokwu ịghọtara onye ọbụla na-eso ngozi ọha bụ sọntị na amamụ ihe a na-akpọ ya akpọ Pana, onye ahụ mega mistake. Listen is this because Ikenga ịbatara the gọọmenti wee ebe ha mebiri dị ọrụ and Caterpillar ịghọtara na ọ mebiri dị ọrụ onwe ihe ha na-eme na-aga aga.
And did you know one thing? Wait, let me tell you. Did you know one thing?
Yeah.
During the time that Nkere them invited Gaddafi, I was sounding it that if you invite Gaddafi, I will never support you. These people were clapping for me. These people were calling me, telling me, brother, did you know I was surprised that Gaddafi came? But now, Ikenga don't come. They are saying, oh, we are in government. I can never be fooled the same way that they are fooling some of you. So you are welcome, my brother.
Yeah. You can get about the government, not if it's your father, but the government, US. You got on. So, Yana against Biafra, Ana make Biafra, Yana against Biafra.
Did you know what Ikenga told me? Do you know what Ikenga told me?
Hello?
Do you know what Ikenga told me? That video that I did, that I will no longer talk about anybody. Go and watch his comment there. He commented there. His comment is there on YouTube. Go and watch his comment.
Okay, now.
And because of his comment, it become a motivation never to surrender. Because it seems that I want to give him an edge. And one thing that not only Ikenga, one thing that I will let Biafrans know is that, like I said, I am giving up. I don't even control myself if I want to give up for Biafra. But each time I lie down, I wouldn't sleep. Na torment, unnecessary tormenting, I will be tormented till the next day. If there is anything that I'm doing that I'm not doing well, just like when this Ngọzi of a thing started renouncing, if I do program, I no go sleep. Even that time, I begin to get unnecessary health issue. Join my own health issue where I don't get. Unnecessary health issue. Unnecessary thing. But ever since I corrected myself, now my brother, I dey sleep and I dey sleep well. They don't try change them now. Oh, you are supporting Nkere. Call them anything where you like. Only God knows saying a men on the ground I they follow. This myopic mindset can never change the reality. If men on the ground say now from Briggy, then they get money, make everybody go they sow money from Briggy. Are you hearing me? That is my stand.
Yes, yes.
This myopic mindset wouldn't change anything. Because me, I don't dare already from onset. I don't dare strong. This their nonsense wouldn't change me. I am a man Oremi Jews. The name that you call me now does not matter, but name you will call me in the future.
Right.
Thanks for your contribution, my brother.
Okay, my brother.
Talkam CB for your mind, 9 with this. So on this very platform, they say, oh, you are going down with your platform. The number to call is +31 68 76 47 442 +31 68 76 47 442. That's not the number for you to call. Did you think that anything really matters in this Biafra agitation? Is there anything that matters? Is there anything that is of a great importance better than defending the land of Biafra? Better than defending the land of our ancestors? Better than defending the faith of our children? Better than to defend that land? Do you think that do you think that anybody is better than each other in this very struggle? The reason why men on the ground acted the way they do when PM was around was because PM was like a father. And you know that a father in a family, sometimes your children might be stubborn. When your children is stubborn, you do not handle them with iron hand. You will call them in. You beg them, you pet them. But in this one, we are in government. You will never get a penny. Biafra people are not contributing money for somebody to come and bow for you before you give them the same money that Biafra people are contributing. The reason why we call you leader is because you are leading well. Anytime you are not leading well, we will attack you, we will expose you. Just like what I said when account was made public. An 8-year account, our people in risk. No, Chadiena. If you look at even those working for her, everybody is living in fear. Go and ask most of them. Everybody is living in fear. Because ngwere niile makpu n'ala, onwe onye ma nke afọ na-arụ. What I am doing is not that I don't know Ngọzi Orabeze from anywhere. I don't know her from Adam. But you know, Imane Oremijus will always pick up that thing that you call the truth. Ask yourself, from December till now, what makes the Biafran army that is very, very resilient? Every day you hear evangelism. Enemies are panicking, going out of our land. Enemies are saying, Musa is crying every day. Now Musa is assuring everybody that peace will have returned, that it remains 2 years, they will clear everywhere. Why? And you want me to continue to support the same pattern? First, I have my own. Before Caterpillar, where I started raising issues is from the time that they announced our bank. Oh, this is the bank. They said, oh, when I raised the issue, they said, oh, she's not the first person to put it public. It was Akbarawa. So when Akbarawa did it, you hear that I did a exposition condemning it. Now, if you want to secure our people, what you have to do is it not to change the account number. Is it not true? To change the account number. But she now went and put the account number and said nothing to hide. It is secured, safe and secured. At that time, Musa is still saying that they want to get the details of those sponsoring this very freedom. So don't you have brain? The same people are holding Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. The same people wants to get those who are funding Biafra struggle. And somebody comes to you and tell you that, oh, you can pay into a public Nigerian account number, that it is now safe and secure. You do not ask yourself question. I am a man, Oremijus. I have no problem with anybody. My own problem is that if you are doing well, I tell you, you are doing well. Immediately you begin to do like a mugu. Nami go tell you, say you don't fuck up. That is the reason why I tell anybody, if I am supporting you, I will always support you. In truth, anything you see me saying in my platform is authentic. Any day that I see what you are doing is evil, not only me go pick, wake up, go to that my December platform and announce to the people that what you are doing is evil. The only thing that you can do is to complain, like some of the riffrats here are complaining. Oh, you are this, you are that. You dare not reach my level. The freedom that you claim that you are defending, this woman that came, it is because people like us survive. That is the reason why this freedom survive. You don't know anything, but at the appointed time, if you know, you know. So you can talk all your rubbish for all you care. I do not send you. Imagine the riffrat, oh, saboteur. You are not even ashamed of calling me saboteur when you are working with Ikengo Uluago. What is the definition of saboteur? That you cannot use your brain to reason what I am saying. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped in Kenya. His kidnap boils down that Biafra struggle is being financed. And the main evangelism that was going on up then, they said that they want to get those funding the same Biafra. Mazi Simon Ekpa was sabotage in Finland. Nigeria, allegedly, with Finland, wants to share 60 years oil deal. They want to give Finland 60 years oil deal because they want them to get Mazi Simon Ekpa down. Then you that claim that you want freedom, me and you are here. The same person who said, I am now surrogate to Mazi Simon Ekpa, put the account when Musa is trying to get those funding the same struggle. Then put a local number for you. for you to make that your contribution in local number. You did not see that as a saboteur. Some of you don't have brain. Oh, you're a saboteur when your madam is the real sabo. So you don't know that putting local account for you, making it public for you to go and contribute is the pillar of sabotage. Go and look at what Musa have said. All of you with conscience here, go and look at what Musa have said in the time past. We want to get the account of those funding this very agitation. And now, what do you have in newspaper few days ago? In few days ago in newspaper, in Nigerian newspaper, it is published there, and surprise, surprise, she acknowledged it. Your DPM have acknowledged it, that Nigeria is arresting our people. Do you know what somebody commented on my platform? That the main thing that that the main trap that they set for Nigeria is for them to begin to arrest our people. That Nigeria have fallen into trap. When they kill your people, they have not fallen into trap. When all our people are scattered in all over Nigerian prison, they have not fallen into trap. And you want to set trap for Nigeria for them to begin to arrest your people. Why don't you use yourself as a sacrificial lamb? You are now setting trap for Nigeria with another people, innocent people. And you want me to support that. Posterity wouldn't be kind. Posterity wouldn't be kind to my children if I should support it. I want to live and die, knowing fully well that I have fulfilled all my obligation as a human being, not as a moron, not as a mugu, not as a pushover. I am a man religious, one of it very kind. I stand like Rock of Gibraltar. So Talkam as it be for your mind, 9 we still do so. The number for you to call is +31. +31. 68 76 47 442 +31 68 47 76 47 442 +31 68 76 47 442 +31 68 76 47 442. That's not the number to call. Talkam as it be for your mind, 9 we day so distinctly minutes, and I know sure say this very program go really take as other programs they take, but I really want our people to voice out their opinion. What do you think say really they okay in this very agitation? Do you really support our people putting their account openly on air? Do you really support our people putting their account on air? Do you really support it? So do you really support our people putting their account on air? Eh? Let us run to Asosundin teacher until you ponder and give us your opinion.
Sherry mama, sherry oh, Suzuki ma sherry oh, Asundin teacher, yeah, to Bible teacher man, no, I'm teacher, yeah, to Bible teacher man, Asundin teacher, Suzuki ma sherry oh, Asundin man lego.
Somebody said our PM called him yesterday and said, we need to defend the mandate. Something that needed to be defended is the land of Biafra. If PM really call you, what he will tell you is to defend the land of Biafra, no longer mandate. Are you getting it? Say, because since we started defending this mandate, look at the land of Biafra. Look at the land of Biafra. Can you tell yourself the truth that the land of Biafra, before you went to Finland for Finland declaration, we all went there with joy, hoping that once we come back, some people were already saying that once we come back, there will be no governor's distant office. Once we come, there will be no military barrack. Once we come, there will be no this. Did you know that we went to Finland to come back? Before, our governors no degree come market. Now, we went to Finland, come back, and only governors they patrol for market now. Eh? It is pure failure. Fulani herdsmen are massacring with impunity. It is pure failure. Not be when you talk your pant will disappear. It's not when you say it, your pant will disappear. All these people that you see, Congress and Constantine, they are praising people. They are there to look for them. So that once they are in need, somebody will give them money. Me, I always be in need. God will always provide people. One thing that I cannot do is to sell my conscience. That is the thing. One thing that I can never do is to sell my own conscience. I will never sell my conscience. Imane Oremi that you know will not sell his conscience. I will not be here. The land of Biafra is going. I am not on social media now. Come to Nakoyaka. Let me tell you, if these things, if your madam did all these things, there will be no need for all of us to be on social media complaining. First, if what she would have done the time that social media propaganda is to make an address, call everybody in order, focus, face the enemies. What we have come is for agitation, to subdue our enemies, not to fight against each other. Then make a direct, honest, direct contact with Butuzo. But in this one, she did not even make contact with Butuzo. Now Butuzo call him. Butuzo call him the first day. She say, hey, hello, how may I help you? Which kind pompous? Over pompous like this. Hello, how may I help you? Did you attest to the stage of Butuzo? Butuzo, you are pursuing this very freedom. If Butuzo decides to sell the land of Biafra, he's everywhere. If he decides to sell it, he will go and collect money. You dare not build camp anywhere because he has his men. He can help Nigeria to bring the Biafra down. Hello, how may I help you? Butuzo swallow that one. Continue. You now want to impose, oh, if I give you money, any place that you are going to go, you must let me know first. And again, no Fulani must be attacking our land. He did this thing. It is cock and bull story. Go and look at what is happening. I say, oh, we are giving men on the ground money. Have you asked them to tell you how much that they have given them? And I know when they, not that, I know when they give them money, that time that not to Gentle place. Gentle have not received. You know, there are too many commands. I know when they give them little peanuts, the time that a little bit shake still there. A little shake still there when they were trying to win over. Now my preaching here is that Biafra is not supposed to be a win over for me. If Biafra is supposed to be a win over, come and support me. Mazi Simon Ekpa wouldn't pick his phone and called Butuzo at the first place because Mazi Simon Ekpa then was making his position against Butuzo. Hello? All of you watch it. He made exposition after exposition against Butozo. At the end of the day, now him still pick his phone, call Butozo. He started begging him. The main thing is to protect the land of Biafra. Somebody is saying, make sure that the information that they are giving me is correct. My sister, whichever way they give me information, I know people that I accept information these days from. Even if I say random, I still know myself. Not every information that I will put out there. Since the disappearance of PM, the only place men on the ground was sustaining, even as we were running propaganda against Nkere. Not that I support him 100%, too, because when this fight really starts, I know my problem. I know where my problem is. He have his own problem and Ngọzi have his own problem. But at the end of the day, Ngọzi's problem is more than that. That is the reason why you see me. Even as we were making exposition against Nkere, he was still funding the men on the ground. Oh, when I don't know why network is giving me. Yet he was still funding men those days. We question and answer on social media. Very, very arrogant. Even somebody asks you a question, how are you protecting the land of Biafra? You started. Somebody asked her question, how are you protecting the land of Biafra? She left the question and started telling the person, there are people who are collecting money from Nigerian governors. Nigerian governors go to Abuja to collect security vote that they want to protect the land of Biafra. Now, they are not, they embezzle the money that they give them in Abuja. Waiting concern Abuja and Biafra struggle. Wants to be the person going to Abuja to collect money. Waiting concern. I know see people where they go Abuja, I can't believe in Biafra. And that is what you people are applauding. For me to support somebody, you must be sound to answer questions. You must be sound in mind. You must attend to the people of Biafra. Because there is nothing. There is nothing. There is nothing better than freedom. The reason why you were maka this very freedom. Somebody say, Angela Nwabugu. Angela Nwabugu, let me tell you, that thing that you receive, it is a lie. Now we are getting the picture clearer. That is the reason why I have problem with some people that know the truth and decides to bend it. That's the truth. I have problem with people that knows the truth and decides to bend it. Let me say it here because I was among those that they supplied those information. They said that Nkere refused to do accounts. We are the people that they gave those information. Now, they said when PM called him was once, but they told me three times, and I was using it. It was now that I heard from I don't know that it was once, and he was driving. And he was driving the day, and he said when he gets home, and before he gets home, the meeting was over. And the next time that they talk about accounts, Nkere and Ngọzi Orabaeze don't they get problem. So let us stop that useless propaganda. Kinko. Let us stop that useless propaganda. I am not here to Nkere have fault, Ngọzi have fault, but at the end of the day, Ngọzi's fault is bigger than Nkere. You can do anything that you want to do. If you like, you can mess up. Nothing. But the moment that you start doing it against Biafra agitation, I have problem with it. I have 100% problem with it. What am I saying? What is the context of this very message? Somebody asks you question about how you are defending the land of Biafra. Bute Alco governor, that there is a governor in Biafra land that went to Abuja to collect security vote from Abuja, that he wants to defend the people of Biafra. Now he have embezzled the money. That the question is supposed to be for the governor. Are we pursuing Biafra of Nigeria? When I heard that, I was ashamed of myself. This is what full grown-up men are defending. Imane Oremijus is free in mind. Ihum na support mmadu. Nwe problem with you all for this Biafra. Emecha nkwusikwa ya ebe ahụ ọ dị. Mmecha nkwusikwa ya ebe ahụ ọ dị. Lies were sold to our people. And that is my problem. I still have problem with those who know the truth and refuse to tell the truth. They want to bend the truth. I was among those who telling Biafra, selling those nonsense to Biafra people. As they sold to me. As they sold to me. Now look at it. I've gotten to men on the ground. I saw some of the broadcasters. The reason, if you want to fight him and Oromi Jews, come forward and fight me. Thank you, Ebere King. Too many lies in this very struggle. Too many are saying. If you want to fight him and Oromi Jews, come forward. So that Nkere get one na Nkere ndozo. If you are innocent, go. One thing with this Biafra agitation, if you are innocent, also you know go hold you. Unless your hand is deep, unless your hand is brown. Those of you that went to Finland to declare Biafra, your happiness today is supposed to be that you are seeing barracks falling, that there is no barracks suppressing our people anymore. That is supposed to be your happiness. Your happiness is supposed to be that you are seeing those killing us, killing the people of Biafra to stop. That's the happiness. Your happiness is supposed to be that you are seeing the Biafra Liberation Army funded to defend the land of Biafra. Now, Biafra Liberation Army is on social media telling you that nothing, nothing have come to them. And yet, you want to run propaganda on top of them. Because somebody somewhere, a broadcaster somewhere, engineered you to run propaganda against these people. Because most of you are gullible. You just go to social media and begin to talk rubbish. I was once like you. Because some of you don't know anything. I am a man of Oromi Jews. I refuse to broadcast so that people will come and applaud me anymore. I refuse to broadcast so that you come. Oh, Imane Oromi Jews, I watch your program. You are sounding so iberibacious. Oh, I have applauded you. I give you super chats. Yes, nah. Because the most person that is being hated is people that says the truth. As I say this truth now, people are going to hate me, cajole me. This is not the first time. I started during the time of Ngọzi. I was cajoled, bowed. At the end of the day, they held me as a hero. People said, oh, you said it. When I started speaking up, the best thing that you could have told your government is that they should go and address the things happening. But surprise, surprise, we run a government that love when Biafra people are divided. They applaud it. They will even call you separately. You doing the program, applauding you in the secret. Telling you to divide your own people more. Oh, you are doing fine. We love it. That's what some of them tell me. Oh, that's what some of them tell me. Oh, when we go to meeting, we discuss about you. Just continue with the way that you are preaching. You have baked truth. The truth. Have baked truth. Baked truth. And I'm tired of preaching half-baked truth. Let the land and the sea hear me. Let the people of Biafra hear me. Any spirit of preaching half-baked truth to the people of Biafra, I uproot it from me. It will never and no longer come from Emmanuel Oremi Jews. If you want to work for the people of Biafra, fund the people. The reason why most of you people went to Finland is that your army is going to be funded to defend the people of Biafra. Now, our people are going everywhere crying. They use propaganda. Oh, this person, what you are saying is a lie. What you are saying is a lie. It is not true. And you go there to say it is not true. If you run propaganda against those defending your land, when you need the real people to defend your land, who are you going to call? Those who have been tested and trusted must be defended. What I expected this government, oh, we are in government. What I expected them, if you are in government, if you are there for Biafra people, you wouldn't allow Ugo 247 is a principal officer of the government. You're on social media at over say on your pastor. You see that issue or an old man. A principal officer of a government is not supposed to come on social media challenging an armed struggle, an armed military of a government. It's supposed to be an internal affair. They're supposed to, if PM were to be around, what Ugo 247 did will attract suspension immediately. Because you do not go and challenge men on the ground. Oh, come and swear for me. Come and swear. Now, here, let you not see last in the battleground 1 month. It is evil, condemnable. So your soldier, you are praying for your soldier to die. Who are you working for? What he said with his mouth, if PM were to be around, I attack here totally. But everybody applauded. Oh, they were even sharing it. When I saw it, I said, God, is this the people that I have been supporting? What is all this nonsense? Do you know when PM was around, if you're a principal officer, you dare not talk about armed military? Go and ask all of them. Go and ask even Ngọzi. That is the reason why they sideline her, that she cannot contact men on the ground. You dare not talk about contact men on the ground to talk, or not to even talk of bringing military issue and start telling them to swear, if you do this, you will die. What arrant nonsense. And you want me to cover that? You want me to cover it? Your government up to today have never sanctioned Ugo 247. So which Biafra are you pursuing? Biafra that you can threaten the people defending the land of Biafra. The Biafra that you cannot stand to defend the land of Biafra. This Oluku, when I was supporting your madam, I was standing straight. Mugus. I do not give you a damn. When I support your madam, I was standing straight. Emmanuel Oremi Jews do not send you. I am Emmanuel Oremi Jews. Now only me, they control my conscience. My conscience is not controlled or induced with anything. Only me, they control my conscience. That is the reason why some of you don't have brain. Do you have brain of your own? They tell you rubbish. After listening to rubbish, you move like to go and defend what you don't know from anything. New Sabo in town. John Chris, thank you. I am looking for somebody to help me for the armband. New Sabo in town. This one goes sweet too. I love it. I am Sabo Ikenguru Ago that you are working with is here. Have you seen that you needed to be in psychiatric? Yes, you need psychiatric because you are not being sincere to your own self. I am Imane Oremijus. Anybody discussing with the enemies of Biafra is much more stupid than the person can ever imagine. I am Imane Oremijus. I control my conscience. After going to Finland, you are there, Nezuzu. After going to Finland to declare Biafra, when you have not gone to Finland to do Biafra declaration, during the Finland, we were being happy. Oh, we want to go and declare Biafra, which will usher us into the new beginning. Where is your new beginning? Where is your new beginning? Where is your new beginning? Umu Okpo. Umu Itibole Ngọzi. Where is your new beginning? Umu Otelevuvu Ngọzi. Where is your new beginning? Rubbish idiots. Where is your men on the ground? Recently, yesterday, I saw your men on the ground. Is it artillery? Artillery? Can check, Godi. Artillery. Hey, Nande Ebuo Mother. Nde Ebuo Nda. These people have finished Biafra. Where is your new beginning? I am asking you. I can't find out the distance. Somebody working with Ikenguru Ago is calling me. The last time I checked, Ikenguru Ago still plays Gentle, 36 million. That is few weeks ago. 36 million. And the same Ikeng is working with you. If Ikeng is not working with Ngọzi, she have denied it too, but she accepted that she is working with Caterpillar. Caterpillar is Ikenga's commander, which Ikeng is the person that rented the house Caterpillar is living. So you are working with somebody that I rented me, that I say Sabo. I rented house for the person, put the people in school, and the person was working for me to do a Bubago job. I used the person for a Bubago job for the governors, and you came and took the person. And me, I'm not working with you, and I'm not exposing you. Do you see how Chineke Jakpo Noku? Because you support evil. As of me, anytime that I want to die, I can die a happy death. That's me for you, because I do not support evil. I control my conscience. I am not monetarily induced. I speak up just because I want to speak up, based on the truth. Imane Oremijus, Mowundiro, Chairman ndị ọha na eze na nke ikpeazụ a, ịmakwa mụnwa bụ ọha na eze ndị Igbo General Chairman, is Sabo, but nginwa, working with you. Oh, we are in government, government ndị Ikenguru Agụ. We are in government ndị make account where our people are paying money, open to Nigerian government. The reason why Nigerian government arrested, kidnapped Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is because they said that and they said they are tracking those who are financing the struggle, and those people are living abroad. I want to break something for you people now. I want to tell you something. Just pay attention to what I'm saying. Now, they track Mazi Simon Ekpa to Finland. 60 years old you deal with Finland, just because they want to stop Biafra agitation. Now they said something. Go and listen to them. When they arrested Mazi Simon Ekpa, they said they are still tracking those who are sponsoring the Biafra struggle. Then somebody put us here. So no na yo na emepe account in Nigeria. put all the account open to all of you so that you pay money, that nobody will track it, and you believe that person. You have a psychiatric problem. Most of you have a psychiatric problem. Most of you have the spirit of Ifa Jonano Babiasika in you. That is the reason why you are betraying Biafra struggle and you felt that you are doing well. I am Imane Oremejus. Very, very important that you know, because you cannot be me. Go and ask all of them. Those of them calling me, have they been able to buttress my point? They will always tell me, some of them will even get angry at what she is doing. When I spoke with them further, they will say, Ima nke yi na-ekwu ya na-asụkwa support you. Ọ na-emekwa ome ya, anyị na-adịkwa against. Then ọ bụrụ na unu dị against and she is not listening to you people, what makes you think that when people are dying, you call him an Oremijus name, and Oremijus will listen to you and stop the exposition? You know that you cannot control yourself because you are not being truthful to your own self. Most of them will call me talking rubbish. When I open their eyes to the reality, they will say, Emma, we do not support this one. We do not support this one. We have been telling her. And I used to tell them, okay, if you tell her and she refuses, what makes you, if you tell me, I will stop. If you tell her to stop making our people, putting our people in risk, and she refuses, don't you see that she have an intent of doing so? Go and ask Age. Go and ask Age. Age is her Minister of Information. There was a day I did a exposition. Age called me on phone to correct me. Age boxed into crying. Immediately she started crying. She cut off the phone. Ophelia Novo, a smart woman. Immediately she cut off the phone. I started calling her back. She started typing to me, I'm not in my real state of mind. Why is she crying? Because she knew that all those things that I was saying was true, but because they forced her to call me, call him and tell him. That was the reason why she called me, and all she could do is to enter into crying and cut off the phone immediately. Go and ask her if what I'm saying is the truth. Did she call me to preach to me, and all of a sudden immediately I was talking to her and she entered into crying. Cut to put the phone Ozubo. Why is she crying? Because the things that I'm saying is something that eyes can see, but because of office, some of them have sold their conscience to office. They have sold their conscience to the devil. That is the reason why you cannot hear truth from them. I control myself. I control my conscience. I own my conscience. I will never stop telling you the truth unless you repent. I have sacrificed a lot. My friends have died in memory of those who were with me in this very struggle that have died. I will forever stand on the truth. I will forever stand on the truth. I will forever stand on the truth. Even if it matters for me to go in this truth, I will stand on it. In memory of those whom I have witnessed falling. In memory of those whom during my Masop days that died, fell. In memory of them, I will stand. It doesn't matter what you do. Almighty Chukwuokukabiyama, the creator of heaven and earth, knows the heart of every man. Only him and to him alone sees your heart. And only him will reward you. It doesn't matter what you do. But my own conscience is my own conscience. My will is my will. My will is not yours. Your will can never be mine. We can be answerable to our own deeds. It doesn't matter. Because most of you know the truth, but because you want to defend rubbish. Emmanuel Oremijus was once where you were. Imane Oremi juice was once where you wear. Those of you calling, oh, Sabo, you have never made 1/3 of the sacrifice. You talk about men today. Ima ihe eriri, ima ihe iriri, ima ọnwụ mmadụ hụrụ. You made no 1/3 of the sacrifice. I leave you to your own conscience. So the number to call is +31, +31, 68, 76, 47, 442. Make your own contribution. Talkam as they happen. Talkam as they happen. That is the only thing. Voice out that your mind. Out that your mind. What do you really think? What do you really think in this very freedom that needed to be done? Ọkwa na-eme azọtacha ala azọba ute. +31 68 7647 442 +31 68 76 47 442. Look at the Okpo. You need to call and shame me. Do you know why you people following Ngọzi is useless? Because there is nothing. Your superiors, I have defeated them in argument. And all they will tell me is that, Ima, it is true. Ima, it is true. Ima, it is true. But, Ima, cool down. Cool down. I get it everything. I defeat your superiors in argument. I defeat them. If they say it is a lie, they should come out for argument. Let us argue one-on-one. Let us know those working to defend Biafra. I defeat them. So to you, oh, nobody will call. I thought you said that I'm a liar. What you have to do is to pick phone. To call and shame me before everybody. Announce to that. But surprise, surprise, those calling here, I have never gotten anyone that called to support you. None. Because we really do what eyes can see. I have 114 live viewers. Only 49 hit the like button. Endeavor to hit the like button. We do what eyes can see. If you say that you are supporting evil, no problem. Nobody have monopoly to be stupid. I too have monopoly to be stupid. We all can be stupid together. Since you have the monopoly of selling your own land, no problem. Me too, I have the monopoly of exposing your stupidity. What is it that this woman have done? Everywhere there is cry. In east, west, north, and south, our people are dying. The other time, I got on na esendere caterpillar n'Enugu State. Commando, commando. But when I don't know who came, I don't know who did a very striking revelation that the men that was sent there, they blackmailed them. They told them that things to fight, to defend, we are coming for them. But lo and behold, it didn't come. And they end up losing over 100 people. Died, failed in that fight. Apotatoro gashina Caterpillar gara. Whereas Caterpillar did not step an inch. Where do you want to go with government of lies? Government of deceit. One of them was speaking to me. Osimema, no government in the world na-ekwukwa eziokwu. Na ihe a na-emekwa eziokwu adịkwa n'ime ya na ọkwa asị. Ọ bụrụ na if you have that na ihe ị na-eme eziokwu adịghị n'ime na ihe eji asị, onye ka ijizi asị etefaka ụmụ Biafra. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu came and told you we will get Biafra simply by telling the truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke ka ihe eji wee demolish ha. Which your madam came and quoted Maazị Nnamdi Kanu out of context. She doesn't even know anything. She doesn't even know anything. You are the one being stupid here because you have the option of listening to me and the option not to listen to me. But you choose to be more stupid by listening to me. So me and you, who is stupid? Moba, me and you, who is stupid? Kono ha na support evil. That evil ye uchidon. Because the land of Biafra will cover all of you. Please, fellow Biafrans, this evening, I don't know who is coming live. And she will be live on Adade Oramma's platform this evening, 8 p.m. Biafra time. Endeavor to be there. Go there and listen to truth. If you find where you can get truth, forget that lies. People that are lying to you is people that have questionable character. That guy is on an prophet that you call, what is his name? Humble. Come out to tell you jargons. Somebody that used to worship PM. Oh, PM, maybe with PFE. Ask him, where is PM today? Can he ask about PM? He cannot ask. Immediately he asks about PM. Do program about PM. His madam is going to sanction him. The other time I told you people that they said PM is likely to face terrorism charges. Pray. The deep sabotage against PM is very deep. And he is going to come out, whether the devil like it or not. Be there to listen to Mamono. Mamono, who is way, way older and more tested and trusted. Tested during the time Mazen Namdekano was around. Trusted. Tested with Mazen Simon, but trusted. Not Omoachikote Ekwono. Somebody that doesn't even know men on the ground. Oh, I thought that this is my commander, and I'm a Mehendara. I don't do something with mad people. People that if you ask them question, what are you doing as a Biafra leader? You call yourself DPM, Deputy Prime Minister. Now, what are you doing to liberate the people of Biafra? Biafra. You now started asking the guy that there was a governor that went to collect money from Abuja and said that he is defending Biafra, that his question is supposed to be the governor. What is he doing to protect us? Chineke, I this time a problem overnight. And I'm not he can. Na Juzi, here. Even people listening don't ege ihe a nwaanyị a na-akọ. Nwaanyị ọrịa bụ n'ọrịa isi ka brain ya dị. Have she have ọrịa isi ka brain ya dị? Since December till now, I can akọrọ Nkọkambu story. No one wants to reason. Is this why? March 13. Check him way back from December 2nd declaration. Here got na November. March 13. Here on a turn over 4 months, so on I got to 4 months. We are still in Nkọkambu story. You do not ask yourself, when will that land be defended? Somebody is talking around nonsense here. Men on the, you are saying, Nkere compromise Biafra struggle. I am not defending Nkere. But the same men on the ground are saying that they are getting money from her. And you said they have compromised Biafra security. So who is now whiter than white in two of them? Do you see the reason why I have my own conscience? I do not reason the same way you people reason. I am not defending Nkere. Because when Biafra come, all of us will go and defend ourselves. Maka ndị mma apịa ọkpọ n'eze ebukakwa in this very freedom. Ndim na appear oneze buka in this very freedom. All of us will appear. All of us will appear to defend ourselves when Biafra comes. Propaganda when you talk about defending the men on the ground. Those people planting that in your brain is the main problem. Nkere publish the account of our people in social media. I'm asking you. Nkere na run propaganda with men on the ground. A principal officer 247 did not know. Did not know that he's not supposed to run propaganda against men on the ground. I am nobody. During those days, when I was speaking up, Ndo Nkere said, oh, that I was paid by Ngọzi Orabaeze. For you to know that I speak out of my conscience. I speak out of my conscience. There is nothing like Ndotu Nkere and Ndotu Ngọzi Orabaeze. We all are Biafra people, but they want to divide us. Brigi is the right channel now. Go and sow your money there. For men on the ground to get money. Yes. Go and sow your money there. If you put your money in this Nigerian account, you will go to hellfire. I am telling you the truth. Because when DSS catch you, you will go to hellfire. Most of you people listen to me when I preach. You don't want to get brain. Most of you people listen to me. You don't want to get brain. I am a man of Oremijus. Somebody said, half-baked illiterate. Half-baked illiterate is the reason. Freedom I am one of the pioneers. If you don't know, I'm telling you now. Even those of Una Madam dear, go and let them know. I am one of the pioneers of this very freedom in Acho. Yes, one of the pioneers. When you talk about pioneers, patriots, you must call me. If you need to tell yourself the truth, if you stand on the truth like the rock of Gibraltar, you must know. You must know that what we have come to do is freedom and not propaganda, lies, and deceit. Somebody say, the spirit of Biafra have left you. At the appointed time, we will know. At the appointed time, we will know whom the spirit of Biafra have left. I am telling some of you the truth, but the spirit of Ifa Jono Biasika are living in you. What am I saying? They came on social media, make the account of men on the ground public. People who sow money in that account, living in Biafra land, every day and a peak in mother. Or your people, ask them how far. And if they never pick somebody that you know, go ahead deactivate our phone here. Or sovereign here. Or sovereign here. Yeah, I know that most of them are Ndo Tuiken Guru Ago. Most of them are Ndo Tuiken Guru Ago. Also Burunkeya. They are picking people. That account Ngọzi Nyanunu Njakwe Ugwa na pick ndị mmadụ every day now. And they pick people every day. That is what you don't even listen to her. She have confirmed it. That is one thing that some of you don't know. Ima because of what Ada is doing. If you need anywhere to hear the truth, go to Ada's platform. How Ada will be telling you might not be pleasant to you because Ada mahole she epent oku. Ada na ko epent ko otogo to hukulata ya amage ya, and you know truth is bitter. When you are behaving like a madman and somebody call you madman, you are going to get upset. Why are you calling me a madman? But you are behaving like a madman. The truth remains that you're a madman. And you may not know that you are mad. Those of them who said that I'm misleading people should come up with the misleading facts. Let us know the misleading facts. Am I misleading people that the account your madam put, they are now arresting people outside the account? Is it misleading? Is it misleading, Umuobo? Am I misleading people that Biafra was declared December, November 29? Till today, you can never defend that Biafra. What you have come on social media is to run propaganda against those trying to make mockery of gentle of all people. Your madam. Is it misleading? Madam Gena gentle, kedonye to seri respect in this very agitation. Madam Gena gentle, kedonye to seri respect. Is it misleading? Go and defend the land of Biafra. When Biafra was not declared, the land was prominent, dominant. We dominate the land, defend the land of Biafra. No terrorist comes to kill us. Man, go to Biafra land today and check what is happening. Somebody was telling me that even Onye Fulani na amazi yaka. Na agwa na is not before. Na abokwa before. Because most of you who have the spirit of Ifa Jonano, Babiaseka, they are using you to subdue this very freedom. And you are stupidly helping the conquest of our own land. If there is people supporting her that have conscience, this heavy duty atola that she's launched, you're supposed to be ashamed of yourself. Go to that video and look at how they were standing. No military background. The one carrying Chakapua, go and look at his intonation. No military command tone. Aso no heavy duty artillery. Ejiri na scam on. Do you see that some of you will end up in psychiatric very soon? Some of you will end up in her hospital very soon because you no longer reason very fine. You are stupid and daft. You will end up in her hospital very soon. Just mark today's date down. Because you don't reason. You don't reason. Somebody said, if I'm in that position, I wouldn't do anything. Then I resign. If I am holding a position that I cannot do anything, I resign and give people that will do it to do it more better. I cannot occupy the seat, knowing fully well that I'm not fit into the seat and I sit there. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Heavy duty artillery. Looking at ndị Yakwaka ndị na-ekpu ahịhịa. Go and watch that heavy duty nonsense. Looking at ndị na-ekpu ahịhịa. And one of them was even scratching his ike. Ojiaka na scratch ike. Who tell dead body, say dead body they move? You no say you be dead body. Bako they move. When you go and look at the way that all of them stand, they can They were standing like people that are tired of this world. You watch that video. They brought that video to you to rival Biafra Liberation Army. The way that they were making mockery of Biafra Liberation Army, whom you have tested and trusted. They brought video of heavy-duty artillery. Don't you ask, what type of joke is this? Don't you ask? Egu John, have you repented immediately? Egu John, Are you not the person that started with insult? Please, pardon me if I'm making mistake. You repented very fast, though. Let me know if you are the same person. Thank God for Emmanuel Oremijus. If you come here with open mindset, I open your mind. I open your mind. Immediately I open your mind, you can be able to see. If you come here with dubious and backward forward lifestyle. If you come here with dubious backward lifestyle, you get it hot because you are not going to sleep. Emmanuel Oremijus will tell you the truth. If you look at anywhere, I am the only person who will reset your memory to factory fitted. I am Emmanuel Oremijus, speaking the holy truth, undilutedly. Undilutedly. I have spent much longer time here. Let us go to phone line. If there is nobody in the phone line, we dare cut. The number to call this afternoon is +31 68 76 47 442 +31 68 76 47 442 +31 68 76 47 442 +31 68 76 47 442. That's not the number for you to call. Talkam as be for your mind. Na him we did this afternoon. The jolly they go. We they ask you, do you think that anything really matter in this Biafra agitation? Or the only thing that matters is to defend that land which you have come to defend, which we are here to defend? Talkam as be for your mind na the time where we there. Small time, we go carry our kaya, come out for inside this shop. Is it supposed to be shop or studio? Studio, shop. Somebody is saying that I should tell them what next to do. What next to do is to support men on the ground. That is all. That what next to do is to support men on the ground. Go to that account, Briggy account, which they said is where they collect money from. They are even tweeting it by themselves. If you go to Gentle Facebook, you will see it there by himself. Where I know say your madam is irredeemable is where she said that Gentle is a miscreant. All this miscreant, disgruntled individual. I say, Gentle, somebody that called herself a leader, talking like Onya Piana 2 by 2 na brain. And some people say na over psychiatrics, na onwere chinko, and I defend there. That was you know me, if I'm watching you, if I'm following you, my mind is open. I dey look at you, I dey look at the things that you are vomiting, and I'm watching it. Immediately you miss Yan. Just they cap anyhow. I dey listen, I dey take notes. Provide evidence where I call Gentle kidnapper. I need that evidence where I call Gentle kidnapper. You can never see any of my video where I mentioned the name of Gentle and called him kidnapper. You see how they lie. You call Gentle kidnapper. There is no video. Provide the evidence, the video, and I will believe in anything you say. where I called Gentle kidnapper. It's not that video where I was saying any man on the ground, on the internet, anybody in the internet claiming to be Biafra Liberation Army are kidnappers and this. People went and cut out any man on the internet. Went and cut it out and now leave men on the ground are Biafra Liberation Army are kidnappers. It's not that one. Provide the evidence, the clear video, not cut out. To provide the evidence. If you say that I called men on the ground kidnapper, bring the video, not cut out. Because I watch it. Even me, I shock when I hear the cut out. Not only me begin to go to my video to go and watch it and check how I said it. And I listened very well how I said what I said. So provide evidence. Not what your madam said. I am very technical what I said. And I used to say that there are some of them that enter into criminality. Yes, I used to say it. But once you enter into criminality, the leadership of Biafra Liberation Army will expose you because we don't cover evil. Yes, in everywhere, even in any military, some of their military, recently, America arrested their FBI, where they give opposition and the enemy information. Intelligence unit of America was leaking information to the opposition country that wants to destroy them. They arrested them to show you that everywhere there are Sabo. You know, when it comes to us, they will say, oh Sabo is too distant. Sabo is everywhere. Sabo is everywhere. But when you people keep on defending clean-cut Sabo, I love this Sabo, Mother Abuchi. I love this Sabo. And you working with Ikenguru, Agro, and Caterpillar, what are you? Because I have accepted the Sabo you called me. You working with Ikenguru Agro, your government of Sabo Nigeria, working with Ikenguru Agro and Caterpillar, what are you people? Failures. Fucked up criminals. I love this Sabo, and it is really very sweet. From me from here, from the temple of the grace here, I have actually overstretched my limit. From me from here. It is good afternoon, please. Please, this evening, endeavor to be in Adadi Orama's program. Madam, what is the name of this? Huh? Madam Mama Onowu, Mama Onowu will be in Adadi Orama's platform to tell us the truth. We are tired of lies. The only thing that can make Biafra to move forward is truth. That's the only thing. Biafra can only move forward by truth, not with lies. With truth and not with lies. That's the only thing that Biafra is going to be move forward. From me from here, from the temple of the grace here, it is good evening, please. Oh. Oge Nkere gave me money and I don't know. Oge Nkere nyekwana m ego. Hey! Hey! Mother Abuchi, bring that money Oge Nkere give me. Don't even eat the money. Oge Nkere nyena m ego and I don't know. Nna kwe hụrụ ole ndị asị agba m ọsọ ahịa. Oge Nkere nyena m ego, this guy rie ya. Mother Abuchi, bring the money Oge Nkere give me. If you did not bring that money, mma abịa na nrọ bịa na gị dị ego. Onye ara. Mother Abuchi, come. No, that ego Oge Nkere nyere m. Bring it. I need that money maka agụụ na-eme m taatị. Don't eat that money. You are messianing. Leave COS. Don't talk against COS. You are messianing. That money Oge Nkere nyere m iji na, because now you alerted me na ego Nkere ewetego ego. Ịnwa anwa rie ego m. I go even mbịara nrọ bịa gbaa gị ụgwọ a. Bring that money oge Nkere nyere m. Na-elekwa anya ole ndị asị agba mmadụ ọsọ ahịa. Agụụ na ọ na-egbu m. Tata ọkwa nna agwa gị na-eji m ego. Ịga ebe m na-aga. Since abịara m ebe a nọ na-aha ngegharị everywhere. N'oge Nkere nyere m ego na this boy rie ya. Ihe ọ dị mma. Ndị a na-agba m ọsọ ahịa all around.